Here's how I use my personalized AI avatar to publish 3 to 5 brand new, unique, original short form videos of me on my social media profiles with me working as little as 15 minutes a week. Very important. So 3 to 5 new videos are published on my social media profiles right now with me working as little as 15 minutes a week. And you will learn how I'm using this exciting technology that I believe holds tremendous potential to allow you to scale your social media content and quite literally clone yourself in ways that were never possible before. And what type of workflow I'm using, how I'm exploring, how I'm actually fine-tuning, automating, and delegating. So if you want to grow your personal brand on social media through also short-form videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, this will blow your mind, what you will see here, okay? And you will see specifically, before I go into that, if this is the first time seeing my face, by the way, and hearing my funny European accent, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Klemen, you can call me Clem. I am former Chief Marketing Officer and Head of Growth of today, very likely $1 billion company, Mindvalley. You might have heard of this fascinating, amazing company. And I'm proud and honored to share that I was one of the key leaders that helped Mindvalley scale from roughly 20 million in annual revenue to over $100 million in annual revenue. So you could say I know a lot of things, a lot of experience when it comes to internet marketing, primarily paid advertising, funnels, email marketing, but social media and content marketing was never really my forte. So in full transparency, I'm not an expert in social media marketing. I know a lot of it, and I help a lot of people actually grow online and also on social media. But I've always been neglecting my own personal profile, my own personal brand. And just recently, roughly 2 months ago, I started working proactively and consciously on scaling my personal brand as well. So I am now publishing 2 to 3 brand new videos, long form videos on YouTube, as well as 3 to 5 shorts or short form videos on my Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube every single day. Okay, and what you're getting in this video that you'll see right now is the video, I call it SOP, instruction, standard operational procedure, that I just filmed and sent to my publishing assistant. So this is a human being that helps me actually complete some of the tasks in this workflow from that I am right now using and fine-tuning to be able to publish 3 to 5 brand new short form videos every single day with me working as little as 15 minutes a week. Perhaps sometimes it's 20 minutes, perhaps sometimes it's 10, but basically I'm just scaling and cloning this. And where I'm going with this is I want to reach a point where I'm publishing 10 to 20 original, brand new short form videos on my social media profiles every single day, and also high quality, engaging videos that deliver value to my audience, okay? So you will see the tools that I use in this workflow is HeyGen. I highly recommend HeyGen. HeyGen is absolutely amazing. You can see here, I've been going really deep in actually cloning myself, creating my digital twin using this feature inside HeyGen where you can just turn 2 minutes of video footage of yourself into then unlimited number of videos. You will see this, how I'm using this. Then you will also see how I use Content Planner here in this case, how I use Airtable to manage all the content. So if you can imagine, if you're publishing 3 to 5 videos, short form videos every single day, then you need to have some kind of a content management system to manage the whole thing. Otherwise, this all becomes a big cluster and a chaos and a Frankenstein. So I just built an Airtable for myself. It's a content planner that lets me manage all these things in one place. And you will also see how I use then Asana to assign tasks to my publishing assistant, a human being. So this is also a lesson of delegation and automation, very important. So if you're a business owner, an entrepreneur, there's a lot of things you need to be positively obsessed with as a business owner. There's a lot of important things that go into growing your business, but one of them is obviously delegating and automating, right? So you can free up your time. You will see how I am doing this and how I prepared instructions and SOP for my publishing assistant. And also you will see how I then use Kapwing to actually add text overlays and subtitles into videos. And to give you context, text overlays is I use HeyGen to generate the video right now. Here's an example. This is just this is an AI generated video. By the way, you will see it does not have any subtitles, it doesn't have any captions, it doesn't have any text overlays. And then we hop over to Kapwing, which is an amazing platform, and then we add this. You can see here the caption, text overlay or title. And also you can see here titles, nice titles, engaging titles. The reason this is important is because I think I read somewhere that on Instagram and TikTok and short form video formats, news feeds, I think like 70% of people actually scroll for these feeds, videos with their phones on silent mode. So they do not hear, they only see. So that's why text captions and subtitles are so important. So enjoy the video, and if you have any questions on this topic, just drop me a comment here below. Happy to help and serve, and you will find more amazing videos here on this channel that will help you grow your online business, scale your brand on social media using the latest cutting edge tech, primarily AI. Enjoy, and I'll see you in other videos. All the best. Hey there, Klemen here. So this is the latest SOP, standard operational procedure, on how to schedule short form videos for my Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Okay, so I'll walk you through the entire process. This will save you a lot of time and will help you move fast and accurately. Okay, so and I'll give you I'll give you 2 or 3 examples so that you will see how I do this and how please follow this process. Okay, because it's also it's not only important that things are done, but it's also important that they are done in a time efficient way. And I'll show you some hacks how you can really batch tasks and do and easily quickly produce things without you having to wait, okay, and multitask. You will see. So first of all, inside every task I'll work on these 5 traits that made Alexander the Great unstoppable leader, and then Julius Caesar. I'll give you at least these two, let's say these 2 I will make, and then the rest of them you will make. Okay, Catherine? So very important part is after I've done recording this video, very important, always check the description here, this description that you will find inside each Asana task. The reason being is that after I'm done recording this video that you're watching right now, I might actually do slight, subtle, small changes in this process. There might actually be 5 steps, or there might only be 3 steps. What I'm trying to say is after you're done watching this video, this will be the latest SOP, okay? But I might do some small changes in the task, so always check this task, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. Now, you want to, as I told you, you want to be batching tasks together. You will see how I will approach the whole thing. So let's say today you are working on, in fact, I'll just, to make you really a use case, an example, I will actually process all these 5, just a second, Julius Caesar, we have 2 Julius Caesars here, and Alexander, okay, I know what the problem is, okay. I'll delete this, we have 1 Alexander the Great and 1 Julius Caesar here, and there might be some other duplicate tasks which I'll clear in a separate video, but anyways, so I'll work on these 2, okay? Alexander the Great and Julius Caesar. So the first thing that I'll do is I'll batch similar tasks, meaning that first I'll go to HeyGen. As you know, the first step is just download the videos from HeyGen. I'll go from HeyGen and I will download both videos. Now you might be working actually on 3 videos in a given day. Just you download them, okay? Here you go, and let's say the second video will be 5 leadership lessons from Julius Caesar, right? So first just download all videos from HeyGen. You will see. And let's say that you are working on 2 videos. Now, on a given day, Catherine, we want to scale this publishing also eventually to 4 or 5 different unique short form videos every day. I'm just giving an example for 2, okay? In fact, I will, to make this, I will actually also use this one. 3 lessons from Uber. Let's see, do you have several here? Okay, I'll delete 1 task here. I will also work on this one here. So let me just assign this to myself. Okay, I'm working on this today. I will also assign this to myself just to really organize my work. Okay, so we have 3 videos that I will be working on right now, okay? I will download this one also. Okay, let's see. Okay, download. So now this first step of each video has been now downloaded. Download video from HeyGen. Now, we need to add text overlays and subtitles in Kapwing. Now, since I'm editing 3 different videos here, what I'll do, I'll open 3 different tabs in Kapwing. You will see, okay? 3 different tabs. And now I will just go create new user brand template. I will just go here. I will do the same for here, brand template, and I will do the same. You will see how I'm batching similar tasks. And by the way, when you are actually working on these videos, you might actually see several brand templates here that starts Klemen short form. Use any of them, any that starts with Klemen short form. You will see they only differ primarily in the color scheme. And if you have more than 2 templates, Klemen short form, then simply alternate, equally distribute videos amongst different templates. Okay, I'll just use this one because I have only 1. Okay, now we have all these projects here, as you can see here, ready or made. So what I will do now, I'll go now step by step from one task to another. So let's start with the first one. I'll just grab and I'll first copy this. I'm using my keyboard, by the way, but I'll show you. I will copy. These are lessons from Uber Strabic Canonic. Okay, I can actually, doesn't really matter which one I choose. I'll just go here and I will also set the title here. Keep in mind the title as per instructions, the title and its text overlay needs to be maximum 3 lines of text here, okay? So then we will put this just a little bit smaller text here. Let's see, we put 53, no? Perhaps, let's see. Yeah, that will do. But we do not change the position, the vertical position up and down. It needs to be here. And by the way, the reason why is this is a safe zone. If you just click on the background here, and it shows you save zone here for different platforms, okay? Okay, so we have this. We have a name of the file. We have the title here. Perfect. Let me go back to Asana task here. So now we will grab this one, 5 trades that made Alexander the Great. I copied again, I'm using my keyboard, but I'm doing this, copy. I go here. I will first name this project so that I have everything nicely organized. And I will paste this. Now, the template is actually made on this video, just to give you an example. And then the third video, I will go here, Julius Caesar. Okay, so 5 leadership traits from Julius Caesar. I go here. I rename this file like so. and I set the title like so. Okay, perfect. Now, the next thing we need to do, I will be just removing videos and I will be uploading. So this one is Uber's Travis Kalanick. So let's see, this one is, let me just increase this a little bit. I was already downloading something, so lessons from Uber. Okay, this one is the first video. I can simply upload it, let it upload. That's why you want a batch task, because it takes some time for the video to upload. Now, this video here is already in the template, but just to illustrate the point, I will actually upload it from scratch, right? So we have Alexander the Great here. This one, Alexander the Great, Unstoppable Leader. I will upload this one. As you can see here, it might take some time to upload, and this one is 5 leadership lessons from Julius Caesar. I will delete this one because it was in the template, and I will simply go to leadership lessons from Julius Caesar. And this one is being uploaded. Okay, now going back here, now I simply need to click the video once and it will be added to the timeline. Now you will notice that now that the text overlay, the title is now not visible. You can see it here. That's because video is placed in front of it, layered. So we need to click on the video, right click, and then send backwards. You can see here. Same here. Let me give you an example. 5 traits that made Alexander the Great great, right? The title is not here, but that's why we just need to click on the video, send to backwards like this. And then let's also do Julius Caesar. We put it here. Oops, we need, be mindful, Catherine, you need to move it like this. So let's have, now we have the video, just a second. Okay, sometimes you need to then just press play and like this, and right click, send to backwards. Okay, now we have it like so. So now we go back here. Now we need to add subtitles. Okay, we go here, auto subtitles, generate. And now it will be generating subtitles. I go here, subtitles, auto generate. Sometimes it will be really fast, sometimes it will take a few seconds. Subtitles, auto subtitles, we have them here, and then let's see.
Are you ready to supercharge your company growth? Here are 3.
Okay, we don't see yet subtitles, they're still processing. Okay, let's see.
Are you ready to supercharge your company growth? Here are 3 powerful lessons from Travis Kalanick, the mastermind behind Uber, on achieving scalability.
Each video, Catherine, will be roughly 60 to 90 seconds, perhaps a little bit longer. And that's it. And then from here onwards,
Number 1.
You simply go to export project, MP4, 1080p, medium cis, and then export. And now it will start processing it. That's why you want to batch tasks. Let's go to 5 traits that made Alexander the Great great.
What made Alexander the Great an unstoppable leader? Let's dive into 5.
Perfect. And this text overlay, by the way, the title needs to be there as instructed per Asana task. First 3 seconds of the video only, not the entire timeline. Okay. So let's see this
Traits
video.
that defined his legendary.
Perfect. Export the video, MP4, 1080p, medium export. Okay. Now we go to 5 leadership lessons from Julius Caesar.
Here are 5 leadership lessons that helped Julius Caesar rise to become one of history's greatest leaders.
Perfect. Amazing. Export. Let's export the project. So now we have 3 projects being exported at the same time. So that's how you can batch tasks. I will pause my recording and I'll get back to you and continue once these videos are produced and done. Okay, now all videos have been generated. I'll simply download all of them one by one. So let's do this. 5 lessons from Travis Kalanick, 5 traits. Let's save this. 5 leadership lessons from leadership lessons, download. Okay, so now at this stage, videos are produced, okay? Now the final step is to actually go into Go High Level. So if we go to Asana task, you will see that then, okay, schedule the video in Go High Level, okay? It's just not actually the final task, but let's say, you will see how I will batch tasks. I will also open this in, let me just move this a little bit. Let's see if this is even possible. So I'll create a new post here. Again, I like to batch tasks together. So we have a new post here, and a new post here for 3 videos. Okay, perfect. We select social media. We always select this group. Now, by the time you're editing this, there might also be. I will also add here in YouTube. Okay, so let's do this. Save changes. So I will select group. Perfect. I will reload this page because I edited the settings. So we select group. Let's do this. Select group. Select group. Okay. Now let's first upload the videos. I'll go to media. We go to Klemen here. Upload a file. This one will be, let's say, 5 leadership lessons from Julius Caesar. This one will be, in fact, what I could do here at this point, I could already upload more files from here. Not just one, but multiple of them. So let's say 5 traits. In this case, I can only choose 5 leadership lessons from Julius Caesar. I'll select this video. And in the meantime, as the other videos are very likely being uploaded, let me just double check. Not sure if they're being uploaded. We'll see, because I closed the window probably. Okay. Another way to do so is to first to upload all videos. You simply go here, klemenqvideo.com, upload the file. I'll just upload the remaining 5, this one, like so. Let them upload, and then here I'll go to, so now we have, this is 5, you can watch the video here. Let's do this.
Here are 5 leadership lessons.
So these are 5 leadership lessons from Julius Caesar. Now we need to go to Content Planner because we need a text caption. Julius Caesar. So now we need this post caption, okay? You select this, you copy, I'm using my keyboard, 5 leadership lessons, and you basically paste it inside here. I'm not sure why I cannot, okay, perhaps confirmation. Probably I need to customize for each channel because for YouTube, oh no, not sure why I am not, okay, I can just notice, very important, Catherine, when you copy paste, there's a lot of kind of blank space that's been added here. Make sure, how I typically do this, I go at the beginning, I scroll up and simply delete. So the caption needs to start with an emoji. This is it, this looks good. Advanced options, let's see what do we have here, nothing required. Instagram, it's a reel. TikTok, you enable all these things. And then YouTube, this will be 5 leadership lessons from, always take the title. Title is the ultimate source of truth, what the real title is. You put it here, and you upload it as a short, yeah? Public level, that's it. Then let me also work on this one so that you will see, again, batching tasks. So we uploaded, this will be 5, let's say Alexander the Great. We go to the content. This will be, let's go first to the caption. Copy. So this one is Alexander the Great. Post text here. Now again, it adds a lot of, you see this blank text, so I will just go here. Oops. And just, okay, there was a star missing. You see, you need to be very mindful, like so. Okay, now that's now good. Then we go here, it's a reel. For TikTok, we enable all these things. For YouTube, we put it's a short. And the title here is 5 Traits That Made Alexander the Great. We put here. Okay, perfect, short, public. Okay, and then the final video will be the, we select the channel, we select the video here, will be 3 lessons for Uber's Travis Kalanick. This content pipeline, let's say this is the video. I will go to the 3 lessons from Travis Kalanick. Here, post, just grab this, delete all this space here. Perfect, I'll go and we'll need the title. This, it's a reel on Instagram, enable all comments. This, short. Okay, now we have them. Now, we typically never just post, you want to schedule, and as per instructions, you will find here is time to schedule is at 11 a.m. US Eastern Time or 1 hour after the previous video that you scheduled. So in this case, I'll just go to the first step and I'll just schedule it at, let's say, schedule post for today. So this is today because you see the due dates of these videos are today. Always the due dates of Asana tasks will be the same as, so this is November 6th will be the same date when you schedule the video. So November 6th, we put 11 a.m. New York time. So by the way, America, New York is US Eastern time, okay? So that's it. So this one was 11, okay? So now the next one, we need to schedule at 12, so 1 hour later because we're scheduling. So let's double check here, all looks good. We go here, schedule November 6th, and we put at 12 a.m. Just a second. Or perhaps I'll do 11:50. Let's see if I can do that. 11:59 a.m. Okay, not sure why I cannot. I think I need to put 12 p.m. here. Okay. Okay, yeah. So 12 p.m. would be noon time. Okay, perfect. Or you could as well do, Catherine, you could put 11, just an example, 11:59 a.m. Okay. So that's 1 hour before, 1 hour after this one that we just scheduled. Okay. Schedule post. And then this one here, we schedule it for, this will be not noontime, but it will be 1 p.m. 1 p.m. Yeah, that's how these videos will be nicely at 11 a.m., 12 p.m. or noontime, and then 1 p.m. schedule post. Let's see. Okay, so now we have all these posts nicely scheduled. Okay, perfect. So what you want to do now, Catherine, you want to mark these tasks as complete in Asana. So we have leadership from Julius Caesar, mark as complete. Let me just double check. Okay, mark as complete. Then we have this one, lessons from Uber's Travis Kalanick, mark as complete, and Alexander the Great. Mark as complete. So that's one, that's for you to know what you've done. And then in the content planner, very important for this, you want to change the status. So you will see how the content is organized. Here we have draft, basically then we have scripted, then filmed basically means that the video has been generated in HeyGen. So you can see all the videos here already in HeyGen, already here. Then produced is the video that's been produced inside Kapwing and is ready to be scheduled or published, and then published. So in this case, we will move this from filmed to actually published already because they're already scheduled. So that's the same as published. Also, Alexander the Great, this one we put to publish, and here we put to Travis Kalanick, this one. And I'll also change this to this, and we put to published. Yeah. So now they are, all of them already here. Let me just double check. Perfect. Okay, so this is it. Okay, now when you're actually publishing, let's say 3, 4, 5 more videos, you have another status here in case you would want so. You can actually move the video from filmed. By filmed again means that the video is generated and ready in HeyGen. Produced is that the video has been then finally enhanced in Kapwing. You can move them, for example, from filmed to produced, right? To keep track of your work. That's one example. What you could use potentially, right? But this is it, okay? This was a quite intensive walkthrough of how to schedule videos. To summarize, always check, every time you get the task, always check this process here because it might slightly change and evolve after I record this video, okay? That's one. And then group similar tasks as you will see here. You would first just download all the videos from HeyGen. Let's say if you're working on 5 videos, download all 5 videos from HeyGen. Click, 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 right? Then you go to Kapwing, you've opened 5 browser tabs in Kapwing, and you just create 5 new projects from a template. Project 1, Project 2, Project 3, Project 4, Project 5, right? Then you rename them properly. Set the titles, right? Then you upload the videos, right? You let the videos to be uploaded, right? And you always work in these batch mode cycles from one video to another. This requires a lot of attention, Catherine. So as you're doing this, do not be adding or working on any other tasks because it's a form of multitasking, but on batching similar tasks together, okay? If you have any questions, please do let me know. Happy to help and assist. All the best.